Alright, these are the elevators here at the main elevators at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Savannah, Georgia. Got some Dovers here to ride. Looks like one of them's being cleaned. And we're not gonna get the person cleaning it on camera to be polite. Oh, and we got some more here. Oh, these look like they could be original, but we'll ride these later. Dover traditional. This one. I'll let you clean. Gonna let her do her thing. So they replaced the bells. Oh well. Let's give it a ride. Let's go up to 7. These are nice. Alright, I'll get off here. Very nice elevators. There's a look down the atrium. We got this one. Look at this. You can hear the generators. Very nice elevators. You can hear them. There's your interlock. Alright, let's go to L. EPCO INCHline fixtures. Obviously this was slapped on. Going down. There's the other car there. Alright, I'll let you out. And I'll get off of this one. Let lady do her thing. See if we can get another car. Love that button. Alright, this time we're going up to 7. Yeah, you can tell this is slapped on. Now for the grand view. This is so cool. Oh, wow. All right, back down to lobby. We'll go up one more time. Yeah, let's get a view out again. This is nice. Dover brails. You ring it. It's nice. All right, we'll go down to lobby. We'll end there. Watch the indicator going down. Obviously relay controlled. From the lobby. And we'll get off here. Hello. And anyways, there it goes. And that will be it.